So I came across this wonderful tool called Happy Scribe, which actually helps you to go ahead and then extract out contents from recorded media and then even record out your meetings and generate out summaries using AI for it. For example, over here you can see that I am in the home page of Happy Scribe, and let us go ahead and try the record audio feature first right here. And I'm simply going to go ahead and let's say record this audio right here, and I'm going to say something regarding online learning. So online learning provides students with the flexibility for both academic and professional success. So I can go ahead and pause it and then finish it out right here. And I'm going to go ahead and name it as online learning right here. Let's say, for example, save out the recording. And in a while, it'll actually go ahead and process it out, as you can see. So online learning is here. And now it basically will go ahead and say will be ready in about 1 minute. And now you can see it says your file is ready. So you can go ahead and access this out. So you can go ahead and click right here. And as you do that, you get a summary of whatever you said. So I talked about online learning. So it created an AI summary for it. You can go ahead and play it out as well. So online learning, so this is what you have. If you were to go to transcript, you actually get the exact word by word transcript of whatever you spoke. You can go ahead and add in speaker name as you want as well, or you can go ahead and extract out quotes. So you can go ahead and try that out. So it says extract notable quotes from this transcript. And as you do that, you can see it says what topic or theme are you interested in, but it's actually thinking on its own, and it'll go ahead and give me a short, let's say, for example, quotes right here, just like this, as you can see. You can even go ahead and let's say, for example, write posts with it, or you can go ahead and click on create quiz as well. So based on whatever information that I fed in right here, it'll go ahead and create quiz out of it. So you can see that it is thinking right here. So let it think for a while. And then you can see that it generated out a quiz accordingly right here. You can go around over here, click on more to go ahead and access out the chat, or click on access like ask AI anything to go ahead and ask it anything. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, what are the benefits of the topic being said right here? Let's say, for example, and as you do that, AI will actually go ahead and think, and then will answer out the content accordingly. So one of the impressive features of Happy Scribe is it can go ahead and record out your online meetings and give you a summary of the conversation using AI easily, so that you don't have to manually keep on taking meeting notes. So to utilize that feature, I'm in the home page, as you can see, and here what you can do is click on record online meeting, and then you can go ahead and paste out the meeting link for the meeting that you want to record. So here you can see it says we support Google Meet, Teams, and Zoom calls. So you can simply go ahead and add in the meeting link for one of them. And you can go ahead and select out a language that you want to record in, or just set it to auto detect so that it auto detects the language. So over here, you can see that I have the Google Meet page right here. So let's just go ahead and actually access out this particular meeting and join in the meeting first. So right now, no one is here, but what I'm going to do is go back to Happy Scribe and click on Send Note Taker right here. Once you do that, what happens is that it says Note Taker sent. That means in the meeting now, it'll actually go ahead and send in a note taker right here. So as I click on Admit right here, let me just go ahead and mute the mic for now. As I were to go ahead and click on Admit, you can see that Happy Scribe joined right here, and it has started listening to the meeting conversation. So if someone were to join and then start doing the meeting, it will start recording it. So that is what we're going to actually go ahead and see now. So I'm waiting for someone to join. So as someone joins, we're going to start the meeting now. So here you can see that a person is joining. So I'm just going to go ahead and admit. And now I'm going to start the meeting by unmuting it. So let me start. Hi, good morning. Can you hear me clearly?
Good morning. Yes, I can hear you perfectly. Can you hear me too?
Yes, loud and clear. So thanks for joining the meeting. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can. The presentation is clear. You too. Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye. And now I just ended out the meeting right here. And now in a while, what happens is that the AI recorded meeting information will be available for me. And now over here in a while, you can see the meeting right here. So meeting on July 2. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, you can see that you get a summary of the meeting immediately, and you get the transcript right here on who said what as well. So you can see it says, looks like your microphone is muted, I can't hear you now, and so forth. Everything is there. You can even go ahead and see that you will receive an email after the processing of the meeting has been completed right here. And as you click on open meeting, it'll simply go ahead and then redirect you to this page itself. So that is basically what you have. And then now you can see that I can go ahead and then fill the speaker names right here. If it hasn't already, you can go ahead and, let's say for example, change the speaker name right here as well. Or if you missed some speaker name, you can go ahead and add in as well. You can extract out quotes if you want to as well. So as you were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll read out the transcript, and if there's any quotes, it'll go ahead and extract it. So I can go ahead and say something like, let's say for example, it's actually thinking on its own, as you can see, and it says big benefits of online learning, challenges is what it extracted. You can go ahead and write out a post with it right here. So you can see I said generate a blog post based on the transcribed content, and you can go ahead and draft out a follow-up email as well, and so forth. So there's more features, and I'm just like, let's say for example, using just, let's say for example, whatever I found out right here. And now you can see that it is actually going ahead and generating out a blog post right here. So you can see that it says the rise of online learning right here. Based on the meeting, it made it out. You can go to more right here as well, and basically ask AI anything and go ahead and tell it to, let's say for example, give me meeting minutes of this conversation right here. So you can go ahead and say that, and it'll go ahead and give you meeting minutes for it as well. So you can see that everything is there in detail. So you can see that there's a lot of tools that you can go ahead and explore with it right here. So now this is what you have, as you can see. So you can actually go ahead back right here, and there's other things as well, like you can transcribe files by uploading it. You can add subtitles as you want. So you can go ahead and explore out the different features of it, and then explore out the content right here as you want. So we basically utilize different AI tools, and you can utilize HappyScribe to generate out summary, action items, and key takeaways as you need, as we saw. So basically it has many more features and is useful for keeping the contents organized, and you can go ahead and explore the tool even more to find out more useful features in it.